That's one you don't want to end up like him. Don't test me, cunt. I don't fuck around.
Why not?
Hey, he's a 37-year-old man acting like a 12-year-old. You think it's funny, do ya? Walked up to he's screaming, bro. He's screaming. He's fucking screaming for his life. I know where you live, mate. When I see him, I'm just going to grab him by the scruff of the neck and make him sit down. All I know, I walked up this bloke. He dropped him. Fucking five big things. Mate, he's fucking left him in a pool of blood. Fucking just walked up to him. Put him on the headlock. Fucking 5 big punches, yeah. I mean, mate, yeah, he's a boxer. Just sitting back,
first round knockout.
My mate was just sitting there, make sure I don't get kicked in the back of the head, and you know what I mean. 5 big whacks, and he's screaming, and his mate's just fucking bold, mate. I mean, that's why you don't run your mouth, mate. Double speed challenge.